Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your printer to your desktop wirelessly. First, let's get your printer ready. Make sure it's plugged in and turned on, with enough paper for any test prints. It's also a good idea to place your printer relatively close to your Wi-Fi router for the best signal strength. Finally, double-check that your desktop computer is already connected to the same wireless network you intend to use for your printer. Now, let's get your printer online. Most modern printers have a built-in screen or control panel. Navigate to the Wireless or Network Settings menu, then select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Choose your home network name from the displayed list and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. If your printer and router support it, you can also use the WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, button for a simpler one-touch connection within 2 minutes. With your printer connected to Wi-Fi, it's time to add it to your desktop. On your computer, open the Settings menu, then navigate to Bluetooth and Devices and select Printers and Scanners. Click the Add a Printer or Scanner button. Your computer will search for available devices on your network. Once your printer appears, select it and click Add Device. Windows will typically install the required drivers automatically, making the process smooth. Finally, let's ensure everything is working perfectly. Print a test page from your desktop to confirm the wireless connection. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your printer, Wi-Fi router, and desktop can often resolve them. Also, check your printer manufacturer's website for the latest drivers and firmware updates. If the connection remains unstable, try moving your printer a few feet closer to your wireless router for a stronger signal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.